Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This time we're gonna go back to the Siqeiros technique, which of course, as you might expect and know, I love this technique because it's the simple technique. The Siqeiros technique, for those who don't know, is the name of a great painter, a Mexican painter, who was specialized in historical war painting. He was a great painter known around the world, and he did really good work. He was the one who started the pouring, if you want, but he called it the accidental painting because he saw the reaction, maybe because he just dropped a few drops of paint over each other, and he was intrigued by the way it reacted together. So he did ask some people who were scientists to check on what was the cause of this reaction. That's why we call it now pouring. That was starting. Well, he was the father, in fact, about pouring, but at that time it was called accidental painting, which is still nice. That's what I wanted to do today because, you know what, I think it's my preferred technique. It's so simple, and what's nice about it is that you never know what's going to happen, but you know one thing for a fact, that it's always going to be interesting. And you know, I have over 200 paintings in my studio, and each time someone comes to visit or to buy one painting, they always target those kind of painting, the simple technique, which is of course only water with our acrylic. And you do a background. You put a lot of paint, then you put other paint over it, and you let it go. And like I said, it's almost always, well, not almost, it's always a great surprise. So anyway, we're gonna do it, and let's go and try it, and let's come back at the end to talk about it. Let's go. I hope you're going to agree. Again, this simple technique is quite the best. For me at least. Listen, we didn't go overboard with a lot of product, with a lot, should I say, colors, and you see the reaction between them. I don't think you can achieve that finish with any other kind of technique. And again, like we said, it's so simple. It's really ridiculous, so simple it is, and you make some great art. Listen, it's always subjective, but I hope you're going to try it, because a lot of the time I see people go overboard with any kind of products to mix with their acrylic to have sales and what have you not. But for me, like I said, the simple way, it's the best way. And like I said, people who come in the studio, they can see not thousand, let's not go overboard, but hundreds of different techniques, and they always target this kind of painting. So it must mean something in itself. So guys, I hope you like it. I hope, like I said, you're gonna try it, because that's what's fun about it, and it's always a new discovery and an interesting one. So guys, thanks for being here, and don't forget to join us on Facebook and Instagram. And like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care guys. Ciao.